stepping out of the noisy cities, the rush, the walls, and pollution, to discover new realms of life, jumping into the mountains, rivers, and forests, to experience love, joy, and peace. The journey starts here, where Shiva meets Shakti, in the western Ghats of Sahyadris mountain ranges. Bhimashankar. When there was nothing, there was Pandharpur. When there was no Ganga, there was Chandrabhaga. When Bhima flows to Pandharpur, it becomes Chandrabhaga. And here we are at the starting point of Bhima. I will tell you the story. Shiva was having a battle with Bhima, and afterwards he was sitting right here, meditating, and then his sweat started flowing out of his head and becomes the river. And in ancient times, at Ekadashi, the spring is just out of milk and curd. Here, there's a temple, and in this temple, we have 5 holy seats. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, Surya, sun, and Chandra, moon. Now we will have a look on this spring. Now I met these great people. They are with their shepherd. They are wandering around. Now they came to this temple. Let's see what they want to tell. They speak in Marathi, so I right now learn a little bit of Marathi. Maybe I can understand.
बोलू आम्ही
बोल.
हां मलठण धारो बाळू शिंदे गाव मलठण तालुका शिरूर जिल्हा पुणे आम्ही धनगर समाजाचे धनगर झालं का हां मग राखमाबाई धारू शिंदे गाव मलठण तालुका शिरूर जिल्हा पुणे
हो
बकरी वाळण्याचा धंदा आम्ही पिढ्यानपाडी 3 पिढ्यांचा व्यवसाय आमचा धनगर समाजाचा असा आहे. धनगर समाजाचे बेरोबा खंडोबा धुळोबा आमचं कुळसुमी देव पोरं जमली आजार बुरख्यावर दावली वाटी जानोरेच बसली पट्टी जानोरेन दाखवली शाही टोंबरवाडी करची नाही टोंबरवाडी पेरली मका कोरकार नावनी बोंबली नका कोरकार दावला सोना लवगावचा सावकार जुना लवगाव लावली भेंडी पुण्यात कैली कोंडी पुण्यात दावलं कायदा मुंडीवर झालं पायदा मुंडीवर दावलं मुंडकं खराडगाव आहे रणकं खराडेगाव दावलं तळगाडच्या वाडी कुत्रेचं कळगाडच्या वाडी दावलं पेट हुळुंगवाडी मोकार नट हुळुंगवून दाखवलं पारडू दहीवडी लागली वरडू दहीवडी दाखवलं दही आंबलं चाटू खाई आंबल्यानं दाखवलं पार शिरसवडी आहे घाण शिरसवणी दाखवलं दोडका बोलायचा गुरवे बोडका जांजव जानकांद्या डपो दानका ऐका मंडळी ऐका नवरीच्या बापाने नाही घेतला पायका डोंगरातून तुटला कडा येशीत कशाचा गालबाला वाजरची वाजविवाट थाट मोर आली मारणीची आठ मारणीला दिली चोळी तिथं आला कोळी कोळ्याची पुंजली कावड नवरा गेला मारती जवळ नवरदेव लग्न लावून हसला मामा कन्याला बसला कन्याची लजाम लोटिका केली पंक्तीला कोटी येईन गरबाडी सोडी बसते जगाठी खास कांबुरी राजांबुरी मधल्या बुरी पणपण करी मांडव घातला लिमगाव घरी घरची असा नाही पावा पोटाला पोटभर मागून खावा नाही गंगेचं पाणी नका करू दुलदानी सावर जीवा मेनकाची वात आणि शिंदेनी वावळलं कोळप्याचं वात बोला पुंडली संपलं हो
I couldn't understand so much, just little, almost nothing, but it's really great to meet these people and I got a lot. Also, I don't understand the words. Dhanyavad. After meeting these nice people, I will now show you the temple with the 5 seats. Come on. First we have Ganesha. And here Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, the sun and the moon. Beside the known Bhimashankar, there's also a secret Bhimashankar. So now we will go to this hidden space. Hey माझा guide, चला.
बाबा फोन गेला नाही पडे मला सोडून तर काळी बिंदी कान सुटली.
Now we are on the way to the hidden Bhimashankar. And oh, you found a swing. Can I swing you? Hi.
Wow.
Oh, nice. You also join?
Yes.
Okay. Chala.
Stop.
So on the way, nice playground on the way.
Wow.
Wow. I can also join, no? The tree will sustain.
Please खाली तर मला होते. Okay.
Okay. I will hold you.
Okay. And it was.
Oh.
Wow.
Master Laivari.
Nice.
Khatanak.
खतरनाक.
Oh.
अरे बाप रे.
Okay, and now swing. Oh, he's climbing in the sky. Oh. Ah, now you're the monkeys, huh? The monkeys of the jungle.
The monkey.
Ah, monkey. Honey too?
मी monkey नाही.
Kai? नहीं monkey.
ओ मार करी.
Kai animal.
मार करी.
Me? नहीं.
मग माळे.
हाँ माला. Oh. माला. तुलसी माला.
Nice. हाँ तुलसी माला.
तुलसी माला, हाँ. तू? नहीं. Oh, this. Chan.
Ritki.
Oh, this is Shiva, no?
Oh, so
Shiva
cool.
Rudraksha. Don Moki.
Sorry.
Egidon. Now the two of them, they will give a performance for us. Huh? You sing? You dance?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. काजळ लावून आले मी आज असं नका बघू अहो येते मला लाज केला शृंगार आज घातलंय असाच दिसते मी भारी जणू अप्सरा मी खास ए नखरे वाली कुठ घालून साडी लाल गुलाबी पागल करतो तुझे मोर निशी चाल ए गुलाबी साडी आणि लाली लाली लाल दिसते मी भारी जणू अप्सरा मी खास ए चल बाय झलक शर्फी श्रीवल्ली ने नाम रखवरती ओ तेरी हाय मी हाय हा बोललं तर लोकांना आनंद वाटेल हाय दादा AK-47 बाबाजीची जय
This is the world's largest squirrel. It can only live in the most pure environment. Just breathe the air, drink the water, and see the land, how pure it is. I wish it to remain as it is forever. I just wonder if the squirrel is so giant, how giant would be this Bhima who lived here? Do you know who was Bhima? You will find the answer in Ramayana period, that Bhima was the son of Kumbhakarna, who was the brother of Ravan. 7 kilometers from here, you find Burgari Fort. There, all gods met to make a plan how to kill Bhima, the demon. Bhima, he has such a strong and intense energy that this would just be possible with the union of Shiva and Shakti. That's why Shiva came here and sat down, meditating in hidden form. Ganesha was sitting over there, guarding and taking care that no obstacle could disturb his meditation. And then Shakti came. So, in the main temple, they could unite, and in this way kill the demon. And that's why in this temple you find the only Jyotirlingam that is the sign of both of them, the union of Shiva and Shakti, because they killed the demon. So their energy was strong enough to fight against all bad forces. This Rudraksha Mala also shows Donmukhi, two-mukhi, so the union of Shiva and Shakti. Now we are going to the Shiva temple and afterwards to the Shakti temple. Now you can see the temple, Bhimashankar, and you can also hear it. It's based in Pune, Maharashtra, in the western Ghats of Maharashtra, and the name is Sahyadris mountain ranges. So this is the 6th Jyotirlingam out of 12. And here the significance is that there was happening the fight in between good and bad. In the end, Shiva's victory over Bhima. The Jyotirlingam is blessed by both Shiva and Shakti. So welcome all of you to Bhimashankar. Now we are in the Devi temple, Kamalja Mata. Why is it called Kamalja Mata? During the fight in between Shiva and Bhima, Shiva called out to Shakti to help him, and Shakti appears in form of the lotus. So lotus in Marathi means Kamal, Mata, mother, Kamalja Mata. Means when Shiva and Shakti unite, the two polarities, female and masculine, then in the universe there is created such a huge amount of energy that this can win over all bad forces and kill Bhima. Then humanity, peace and harmony is saved on this planet. So thank you so much for joining this journey. Bye bye.